I'm so excited.
Tulipano kwa Tanganda hapa mtuma mtoto wa mwani amerekelwa.
Okay, I'm so excited.
Yes.
We didn't know that we could attend the church in good manners because the rain show up that is going to disturb the service. But the power of Saint Nimrod stopped the rain. We attended the Sabbath in peace and the preaching was so excellent. I enjoy everything. So I thank you a lot and I encourage everyone, every apostle to carry on and to be strong. We don't have to pull back, we have to go forward with Saint Nimrod. He's doing wonder and I like the way he's doing everything. The church is stabilized, there is no noise, no fighting, everything is in the
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Mayor. Thank you, Ambassador.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate a lot. And greetings to all our members of Saint Nimrod. I appreciate it. Unfortunately, I was sick, but I've been recovered. Yeah, it was a little bit strange. The sickness nearly killed me, but the Almighty God restored the healing in my stomach. I appreciate a lot the power of healing this church.
Yes. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, Ambassador.
Okay,
You are welcome.
Thank you.